Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a database and a database user in cPanel. So let's get right into it. For this, I'll be using the support topic because I do not have access to cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do to create a database, it's actually relatively easy. You do have your MySQL databases option or tool within cPanel, which is going to be used to create pretty much everything. And as you can see, the process is quite simple. You have some 4 steps, which are divided into up to 5 steps, which are very simple. So let's go over them really quickly. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to log into cPanel with your credentials and then go into MySQL databases and then click create new database and enter a database name and then click create again. Then once that's done, your database will be created, and then you're going to have to create a user which needs access to the database so you can use that database yourself. Now, from the databases page, scroll down to MySQL users and then enter a MySQL username and password and click create user, and that's it. Now you're going to need to link those two together, and what you can do is you can go to MySQL databases, scroll down to the add user to database section, then select the user you've created and the database, and then click add, then check all privileges or select individual privileges which are going to allow your user to access, and after that click make changes, and that's pretty much it. Now you can change those privileges at any time. You can scroll down to the current databases, find the database you want to modify, then in privileged users click the name of the user you want to modify, check all privileges or select the individual ones which you want to give or take away, and then click make changes, and that's pretty much all there is to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.